Yeah, I hope you are able to hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, okay, perfect, perfect. So, yeah, in the previous session, we started to create all the objects manually. So instead of creating it using enterprise structure yeah, ESS, we started creating everything manually. So enterprise, like the company has been created, already created, but the divisions, legislative data group, ledger, legal entities we have created, already created. And we also looked into how to create a legal employer. Yeah, how to make a legal entity a legal employer, and what is legal employer and what is payroll statutory unit, and so on. And we also created like legal entity, like assigning the legal entity to LDG. Yeah, we have assigned this as well, right? We have opened it and assigned it as well. Assigned it the LDG and ledger as well. So and we did not create the business unit, I believe, right? So I believe we stopped here.
Yeah.
Okay. So Uh, I afraid the data that we previously saved, right, the will also have been deleted, I believe. Let
Yeah,
me check.
that's yeah, all those things.
Yeah, everything would have been gone. Yeah, I'll
Maybe.
still give a try. If it is there, then it's good for us. Yeah, we don't have to. Yeah, it's gone. Okay, no worries. Okay, no worries. We can't do much now. So business unit. So for creating business unit, division, department, like everything is same pattern. We have to give in this, we have to give in, provide the keyword, and we can start using it. Over here, manage business unit. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
It is clear, right? Like in the sense,
Yes, yes.
yeah,
Yeah.
you're able to see it clearly, right? Okay,
Yeah.
manage business unit. Okay, over here we have to create new business unit. So you'll press create button. This instance is also very slow. Hmm, let's see.
This is the same instance which we were working, right? Or different link?
This is different link.
Oh,
It's completely different. And yes, before we do anything, we have to create a default set. Say for example, usually if we want this business unit to be used anywhere, then we can use the common set, right?
mm.
Um, it's not available there as well. Um, Common, yeah, we can use the common set. Otherwise, we can also create business unit set, like a reference data set, like wherever it says set here, like if you see default set, right? So set
Mhm.
means reference data set. Yeah. So I mean, we have an option to create the reference data set here itself. So let's create a reference data set. So we can call it as anyway our company has been deleted. So I mean, yeah, this is a new instance, right? Chase underscore what is this business unit? Yeah, BU
Yeah.
001. So there can be more than one business unit. So we can have it as BU001. So usually what we will have, we have the difference, right? Different business units, and Let me quickly check. Mm, like the branches, business units is branches. So what we would do is in Hyderabad, if there are three places, in three places we have, then we can have it as instead of BU001, we can have it something like this. Like um, what are the places that we have in Hyderabad? Hyderabad, some values and give it cities.
Um, earlier I used to get the authentication failed. Now I was able to go in, but it's saying error, system error. Please try your action.
Oh,
If you continue to get this error, please contact the administrator.
is it so?
It's saying
Can
Oracle
we?
Access Manager.
Okay, okay. Give me a minute.